These questions are predicted for your exam NEET 2025. Okay. Hello, my loving future doctors. Welcome to my channel Help Study. I am Shankari Shah, your favorite biology ma'am. टेंशन मत करो, आपकी प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट है, इसलिए टेंशन मत करो, आपकी एग्जाम विल बी फाइन. So we will study the predicted questions which are the important for your exam. आप लोग ये सारे प्रेडिक्टेड क्वेश्चंस ज़रूर पढ़ लेना. ओके. ये आएगा ही ऐसे समझकर आप ज़रूर पढ़ लेना, नहीं तो लॉस हो जाएगा. चलो पढ़ते हैं. गिवन बिलो आर टू स्टेटमेंट्स. रीड द स्टेटमेंट्स केयरफुली एंड चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. स्टेटमेंट 1. RNAi takes place in all prokaryotic organisms. Statement 2. RNAi method involves silencing of a specific mRNA due to a complementary dsRNA that binds to and prevents translation of the mRNA. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. RNAi takes place in all prokaryotic organisms. That is incorrect. And statement 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Which of the following type of interaction can be observed between fig and wasp species? Option A. Commensalism. Option B. Amensalism. Option C. Competition. Option D. Mutualism. The right option is mutualism. Option D. Next. Which of the following plant shows zygomorphic symmetry? Option A. Canna. Option B. Cassia. Option C. Datura. Option D. Chili. कौन सा प्लांट में जाइगोमॉर्फिक फ्लावर है? कैसिया. ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी द राइट आंसर. दिस इज प्रेडिक्टेबल फॉर योर एग्जाम 2025. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैच लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 1, लिस्ट 2. A. Chrysophytes. B. Deuteromycetes. C. Dinoflagellates. D. Ascomycetes. लिस्ट 2 में क्या है? Goniolax, sac fungi, Trichoderma, Desmids. The Chrysophytes with Desmids, Deuteromycetes with Trichoderma, Dinoflagellates with Goniolax. D. Ascomycetes with sac fungi. A with 4. A with 4. B with 3. B with 3. C with 1. C with 1. D with 2. D with 2. Option C is the right answer. Next question. When two red plants are crossed, 60 red and 20 colorless plants are obtained. The genotype of parent plant is option A. Capital C cross capital C. Option B. Capital C cross with small c. Option C. Capital C cross with capital C small c. Option D. Capital C cross with capital C small c. The right option is option C. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Conidia is asexual reproductive structures present in sponge. B. Coconut and date palm is an example of monoecious plants. C. Lifespan of parrot is 100 years. D. In Bryophyllum, adventitious birds arise from the notches present at margins of leaves. The right option is D. In Bryophyllum, adventitious bars arise करता है कहाँ से? From the notches present at margins of leaves. These questions are predicted for your exam NEET 2025. So don't miss or skip this video. Okay? ज़रूर देख लेना एक बार. Next question. The number of births during a given period in the population is called as option A mortality, option B immigration, option C natality, option D emigration. The right option is C. Very very important. Next, chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by option A Mendel, option B Hugo de Vries and Correns, option C Sutton and Boveri, option D Correns and Alfred Tartivant. The right option is C. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by Sutton and Boveri, option number C. Next, which of the following is leaf-like photosynthetic organ in brown algae? Option A frond, option B stipe, option C holdfast, option D gemma. The right option is option A. Next question. Repressor protein is produced by option A regulator gene, option B operator gene, option C structural gene, option D promoter gene. The right option is option A regulator gene. Important. Next question. Pyramid of biomass in a lake ecosystem having small standing crop of phytoplankton that supports large standing crop of zooplankton will be A inverted, B upright, C spindle shaped, D none of these. The right option is inverted. Option A inverted. Pyramid of biomass in a lake ecosystem having small standing crop of phytoplankton that supports large standing crop of zooplankton will be inverted. Option A inverted. Next, which of the following is a recessive character in pea according to Mendel? Option A violet flower, option B inflated pod, option C yellow pod, option D yellow seed. The right option is option C yellow pod. Next, चले आओ. Read the given statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. RNA polymerase 2 transcribes precursor of mRNA hnRNA. Statement 2. hnRNA undergoes additional processing called as capping and tailing. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay? Very very important. Don't ignore. Next. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? A. Compaction of chromosomes continues throughout leptotin state. B. During diplotin state, chromosomes shows synapses. C. Dikinesis represents transition to metaphase. Option A and C only. Option B, B only. Option C, C only. Option D, A, B and C. The right option is B, B only. During diplotin state, chromosomes shows synapses. Important. Next, read the given statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. The respiratory pathway is considered as a amphibolic pathway. Statement 2. Respiratory pathway is involved in both anabolism and catabolism. Option A, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 1 and 2 both are correct. Okay. Next question. If a molecule of DNA has 20 adenine and 30 cytosine bases, then what will be the total number of purine bases in it? Option A 10, option B 30, option C 50, option D 70. The right option is C 50. Next, in which of the following periods seed ferns were first appeared? A. Jurassic, B. Permian, C. Devonian, D. Carboniferous. Which one is right option? Option D is right option. Next question. In terrestrial ecosystem, much larger fraction of energy flows through option A. Aquatic ecosystem, option B. Grazing food chain, option C. Detritus food chain, option D. Grassland food chain. The right option is option C. Detritus food chain. Next question. Read the given statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1. In cyclic flow of electrons, PS1 is functional in which electron is circulated within the photosystem and phosphorylation occurs. Statement 2. Cyclic photophosphorylation occurs in the stroma lamellae. Which are they? Statement 1. In cyclic flow of electrons, PS1 is functional in which electron is circulated within the photosystem and phosphorylation occurs. That is right. And statement 2. Cyclic photophosphorylation occurs in the stroma lamellae. This is also true. So, option A is the right answer. Important. Next question. TI plasmid being used for introducing genes in plants is obtained from option A. Escherichia coli, option B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, option C. Agrobacterium rhizogenes, option D. Thermus aquaticus. The right option is B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. आ गए जूलॉजी का सेक्शन में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मिस्टर एक्स इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फ्रीक्वेंट स्नीजिंग, watery eyes, running nose and difficulty in breathing. Which of the following antibodies is currently present in large amount in his blood? Option A. IgA, option B. IgE, option C. IgM, option D. IgD. Option B is the right option. Option B. IgE. Which of the following antibodies is currently present in large amount in his blood? That is option B. IgE. Very, very important. Which among the following is not a characteristic of Limulus, Anopheles and Locusta? Option A. Malpighian tubules. Option B. Jointed appendages. Option C. Organ system level of organization. Option D. Radial symmetry. The right option is option D. Radial symmetry. Important. Next question. Identify the animal that evolved into first amphibians which live on both land and water. Option A. Salamander. Option B. Shrew. Option C. Lobifins. Option D. None of these. The right option is C. Lobifins. Next question. Which among the following is the most important cause of biodiversity loss? Option A, over exploitation. Option B, co-extinction. Option C, habitat loss and fragmentation. Option D, alien species invasions. Option C, the right option. Next, doctors recommend breastfeeding during the initial period of infant growth because the mother's milk colostrum contains option A, antibodies which are essential for developing immunity for the newborn babies. Option B, antigens which are essential for the growth of babies. Option C, vitamins that are essential for the protection of babies from foreign particles. Option D, calcium which is required for the formation of babies' bones. The right option is A, antibodies which are essential for developing immunity for the newborn babies. Very, very important. Colostrum is very, very important for your exam, okay? Colostrum is very, very important. Next question. About 97% of oxygen is transported by RBCs and remaining 3% is option A, left in lungs. Option B, carried in a dissolved state by the plasma. Option C, attached to the cell membrane. Option D, attached to the mitochondria. Right option? Option B, carried in a dissolved state by the plasma. Very, very important. Next question. Malpighian body is comprised of option A, glomerulus only. Option B, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Option C, glomerulus and proximal convoluted tubule. Option D, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule and proximal convoluted tubule. Option B is the right option. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, important. Next, in Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification, eukaryotes were assigned to option A, only 4 of the 5 kingdoms. Option B, only 2 of the 5 kingdoms. Option C, all the 5 kingdoms. Option D, only 3 of the 5 kingdoms. The right option is option A, only 4 of the 5 kingdoms. Next question. The correct sequence of meninges from inner to outer side is option A, dura mater to arachnoid membrane to pia mater. Option B, dura mater to pia mater to arachnoid membrane. Option C, pia mater to arachnoid membrane to dura mater. Option D, arachnoid membrane to dura mater to pia mater. Which one is the right option? Option C is the right option. Pia mater to arachnoid membrane to dura mater. The correct sequence of meninges from inner to outer side is pia mater to arachnoid membrane to dura mater. Next question. Select the incorrect statement regarding hemophilia. Option A, it is a sex-linked recessive disorder. Option B, a single protein that is a part of the cascade of proteins involved in the clotting of blood is affected. Option C, this defect is due to mutation in certain genes present on the Y chromosome. Option D, heterozygous female may transmit the disease to sons. The right option is C. This defect is due to a mutation in certain genes present on the Y chromosome. Important, very, very important. Incorrect statement बोला है, मतलब ये incorrect statement. This defect is due to a mutation in certain genes present on the Y chromosome. Next question. Which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding artificial insemination? आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन। इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बोला है, आपको पूछा गया है इन विच वन इज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। सो आपको अलर्ट रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट मांगा है, करेक्ट नहीं, इनकरेक्ट। Which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding artificial insemination? Option A, the semen collected from the male parent is injected into the reproductive tract of selected female. Option B, the semen can be frozen and used as later date. Option C, it helps us to overcome several problems of normal mating. Option D, the semen cannot be transported in the frozen form. The right option is D, the semen cannot be transported in the frozen form. Very, very important. Next question. Reptiles, birds and insects excrete nitrogenous wastes as uric acid with a minimum loss of water. Such animals are known as option A, ammonotelic, option B, urotelic, option C, uricotelic, option D, ammonotelism. Right option is C, uricotelic. Next question. In vasectomy, a small part of dash is removed. A, fallopian tube. B, vas deferens. C, isthmus. D, vasa efferentia. The right option is B, vas deferens. Important. Next question. What is the function of spermicidal creams and jellies in the barrier methods? Option A, they increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Option B, they are used along with barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Option C, they make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. D, they inhibit ovulation. The right option is B, they are used along with barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Important. Next question. The egret and grazing cattle shows A, mutualism, B, commensalism, C, parasitism, D, amensalism. Which one is the right option? The right option is B, commensalism. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Number 1, most impulse transmission across the synapse between neurons takes place at the chemical synapses. Number 2, impulse transmission across an electrical synapse is always slower than chemical synapse. Number 3, synaptic vesicles contain neurotransmitter responsible for the transmission of the nerve impulse across the synapse. Option A, 1 and 3 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 2 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 3 are right. So, option A is the right option. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1, column 2. A, triiodothyronine. B, melanocyte stimulating hormone. C, melatonin. D, progesterone. E, glucagon. Pituitary gland, pineal gland, ovary, pancreas, thyroid gland. A, triiodothyronine with thyroid gland. Melanocyte stimulating hormone with pituitary gland. Melatonin with pineal gland. Progesterone with ovary. Glucagon with pancreas. A5, A5, B1, B1, C2, C2, D3, D3, E4. E4. Option C is the right option. Next question. Read the given statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1. In cockroach, a characteristic mushroom-shaped gland is present in the 4th to 6th abdominal segment. Statement 2. This mushroom-shaped gland functions as an accessory reproductive gland. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Next question. Read the given statement and choose the correct option. Correct option is wanted here. Statement 1. A center present in pons region of the brain called pneumotaxic center. Pneumotaxic center is responsible for respiratory regulation. Statement 2. Neural signal from pneumotaxic center can reduce the duration of inspiration and thereby alter the respiratory rate. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Next question. Select the correct statement about DNA fingerprinting technique. Option A. Digestion of DNA by restriction endonucleases. Option B. Transferring of separated DNA fragments to nitrocellulose membrane. Option C. Hybridization using labeled VNTR probe. Option D. All of these. The right option is D. All of these. Next question. Which of the following cellular organelles is or are not bounded by a membrane? Ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria. Option A. Only ribosomes but not lysosomes and mitochondria. Option B. Both ribosomes and lysosomes but not mitochondria. Option C. Both mitochondria and lysosome but not ribosomes. Option D. Only lysosomes but not ribosomes and mitochondria. Which one is the right option? The right option is A. Only ribosomes but not lysosomes and mitochondria. Next question. Endomembrane system include A. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and peroxisomes. Option B. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. Option C. Golgi complex, lysosomes and peroxisomes. Option D. Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and lysosomes. Which one is the right option? Option B is the right option. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. So, endomembrane system include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. Okay. Next question. Identify the correct statements from the following. Option A. High levels of progesterone triggers the ovulatory surge. Option B. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during secretory phase. Option C. Menstrual cycle ceases around 50 years of age, that is termed as menarche. Option D. Progesterone level is high during the luteal phase of menstrual cycle. Option D is the right answer. Progesterone level is high during the luteal phase of menstrual cycle. Next question. Identify the correct pair. Hormone, source, function. adrenaline hormone. Source adrenal cortex. Function inhibition of gastrointestinal tract. Aldosterone hormone. Source adrenal cortex. Function stimulates the reabsorption of sodium and water in blood. Hormone serotonin. Source thymus. Function regulation of cyclic phenomena in the body. Hormone progesterone. Source Graafian follicle. Function formation of placenta. Identify the correct pair. The correct pair is option B. Aldosterone hormone. Source adrenal cortex and function stimulates the reabsorption of sodium and water in blood. Next question. Identify the correct match between an organism, its phylum and characteristic given in the table below. Name, taxon, character. Physalia. Taxon, Cnidaria. Character, intracellular and extracellular digestion. Tinea solium. Taxon, Platyhelminthes. Character, flame cells help in osmoregulation. Ancylostoma. Taxon, Aschelhelminthes. Character, pseudocoelomate. Pleurobrachia. Taxon, Coelenterata. Character, exhibit bioluminescence. Incorrect match. Incorrect match is wanted here. Pleurobrachia, Coelenterata exhibit bioluminescence. This is the incorrect match. Next question. Read the given statement and choose the correct option. Correct option is wanted here. Statement 1. In cyclic flow of electrons, PS1 is functional in which electron is circulated within the photosystem and phosphorylation occurs. Statement 2. Cyclic photophosphorylation occurs in the stroma lamellae. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The right option is A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. I am sure this video will be effective for you for NEET exam 2025. So, subscribe my channel Help Study, like, comment and share this video. With best of luck, no tension. Thank you. Love you all. All the best.